Hey guys, welcome back to Bumblebee Kid Toys. Today I'm gonna be opening up 4 more big surprise eggs. Each one contains a fun blind bag surprise. Let's pick out the first one and get started. Super awesome! This here is a My Mini Mixie Q's blind box. Each one of these blind boxes contains 2 mystery figurines inside a carrying cube. Here is the blind bag, the collector's guide flyer, and the clip for our carrying cube. Now let's see which figures are inside this bag. Here's the first one. She has bright orange hair and is wearing a turquoise colored outfit. Here she is on the flyer. It's Birthday Girl and she's under the Legacy category. Here's figurine number 2. She has dark brown hair and is wearing a blue colored vest. Her name is Checkout Girl and she's also under the Legacy category. Let's move on to big surprise egg number 2. Check it out, you guys! We got a Littlest Pet Shop blind bag from their Series 1 collection. Here's the collector's guide flyer. Oh my goodness! Look at this adorable baby cow! It's super tiny and super cute! Let me put the pieces of this ring together. There's also this cute purple cowbell to complete the ring. And my finger's a little too big for this ring. Oops, can't forget about the flyer. Here's the one that we got. Up next is this big blue colored surprise egg. And we got this My Little Pony Friendship is Magic blind bag. There are 24 different characters to collect in this series. Let's see which one we got. Here's the collector's guide flyer. Ooh, check out this pony character. He has a silver colored body and white colored hair. His name is Roger Silvermane and he likes to look his best. We have one big surprise left to open. Let's see what's inside this one. So cool! It's a Shopkins Easter Edition surprise egg. Each one of these contains 2 mystery Shopkins figures. Here we have the collector's guide flyer. And here are the blind bags with our Shopkins figures. Check out this first Shopkins figure. It's all pink, my favorite color. Here she is on the flyer. Her name is Petite Tart and she's under the Festive Treats category. Ooh, our second Shopkins figure is all purple. This one's a rectangular shape. Her name is Carol Cake and she's also under the Festive Treats category. I love adding new Shopkins to my Shopkins collection. Alright you guys, those were all the surprises from today's video. I had so much fun opening up these big surprise eggs and blind bags for you. Do us a favor and subscribe to the Bumblebee Kid Toys channel, and I'll see all of you guys next time. Bye everyone!